Melon Playground Jigsaw 2. Where am I? What? Hello, Justin. Where are you? No one knows, but I won't tell you. But the thing is, I just want to play a game with you. Not games. Well, you have to. This game, if you fail, your life, it's going up or down. What? Choose wisely. What do you mean choose wisely? Life or death. As you can see, there's a timer on top of this box, I guess you could say. There's a key right... Oh, wait, what? You have to try to get a key before this clock runs out. It's 10 seconds. So you have to do it before it runs. Starting now! 1, 2, 3. My hand! Ow! 7. 8. Oh. 9. 9. Oh crap. Sorry. Hey guys, this is not supposed to be. Let me. Oh, wait. Oh. Well, that was bad. Just pretend like it's in this end. 10. No.